In this video, let's talk about the welcome handout you can give to people as they arrive to your events.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
These can be brochures, this can be just smaller cards, depending on the cost you want to incur on printing these. But they make people feel welcome, engaged, and they set out the expectation for the event. So when people know what to expect, they're actually happier with the event because it met their expectations. It's a natural subconscious thing. And what's going to happen is you're going to have the itinerary for your event and speaker or event leader information. So they're just going to get comfortable as and ease into the event. And of course, you can have the contact information, their websites and all that, whoever is the speaker leader, so you can promote them or you can promote yourself there. Especially if you're selling any kind of professional services, that's where they get to know about your professional services or your products. And it's going to contain information about your next events. Okay, so you're already promoting your next event with that brochure, and guess what? This brochure that you hand out should have a discount code for the next event so that people keep the brochure. Because it has the discount code, they're going to keep the brochure just in case. And if they keep the brochure, it's going to serve as a reminder to them to come to the next event. Also, you want to have social media and your event hashtag in your brochure so they can start playing around with it, especially if they come a little early, they have nothing to do, maybe they feel a little awkward. Well, now they don't have to be awkward. They can get on their social media, use the hashtag, see who else is using the hashtag, and that can also be a conversation starter during the event as they're networking. And so of course they'll use the hashtag and they'll follow you on social media. So it benefits both those things. And when you get sponsors for your event, the brochure is a fantastic place to list sponsors, but also when you sell to sponsors, when you get sponsors to come and sponsor you, you will tell them, hey, not only do I tell the attendees, but you're also going to get mentioned in my brochure, which is more value to the sponsor, and they'll be more likely to sign up. And of course, any promotions you have of your products or services, you can sell there. And of course, have your website there, because when they come and visit your website, let's say if they sign up to your event, maybe through some event site and not your website, well, now they can register on your website or they can submit their email on your website. And now you have them in your email list, which is just another way to get them on your email list, run retargeting ads, which we're going to talk about later in this course, and get all that going. And that's all accomplished with a little pamphlet or brochure that you hand them out as they come into the event.